Preparing this 3D printed Pitbull for electroplating. The first step is making it conductive, so the metal can adhere smoothly to its surface. Using a specialized conductive paint to coat the entire surface. This ensures that the electricity flows evenly during the electroplating process, allowing the metal to bond perfectly. Every detail matters, so we take extra care to cover all the intricate features of this Pitbull, ensuring a flawless finish during plating. Once the conductive paint is dry, this Pitbull will be ready for electroplating. Stay tuned to see how it transforms into a metallic masterpiece.